Kelsey, you are my best friend, my soulmate, and the best thing that's ever happened to me. From the moment I met you 5 years ago on Dorothy Street, my world has become immensely brighter. I vow to create and support a family with you in a household filled with laughter, fun, understanding, and love. Most of all, I vow to love you and always be by your side until death do us part. Let us be partners, lovers, and now husband and wife, today and all the days that follow.
Andrew, we made it to this moment on this beautiful day, surrounded by so much love. When I reflect back on our relationship, it is with ease from the moment I met you. I vow to pick you even when it's hard. No matter what happens, I'll remind myself that you're it. You're the man that I select to spend the rest of my life with. With you by my side, I can do anything. That is the most comforting thought to me as I envision the coming decades with you. I am so lucky that God put us in each other's path. I love you.
Therefore, by the power and trust vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Andrew, you may kiss the bride.
Today is such a special day to celebrate you, dear Kelsey, and your marriage to the wonderful, faithful, loving man, Andrew. We see that the same nurturing spirit in the way that you love and care for Andrew, and we know it will be the foundation of your beautiful marriage. We are honored to be your parents. God always be with you, and Andrew, happy wedding day, our precious Kelsey girl, and now son-in-law, Andrew. Thank you. So Andrew, you are perfect for Kelsey. All the negotiation skills and tolerance you have will serve you well in your marriage. And this is what Patty and I practice, but let them by their actions tell you what their interests are and then lead to their interests and their strengths. Thank you very much.
They treat each other with sincere respect. They're intentional with the way they spend their quality time. They leave more than enough room for adventure and laughter. They really are each other's best friends at the end of the day. I love you both so much, and I can't wait to watch you grow as husband and wife and build a family of your own. Cheers to a lifetime of traveling the world, long daily walks, and as Andrew would say, trying some really great salads.
But honestly, seeing how natural and loving you both are with our family just makes me even more excited to watch you start your own. You two are going to be amazing partners in life, and someday, incredible parents. Most love stories don't start with a zebra costume, but somehow that's what makes yours perfect. So let's raise a glass to Drew and Kelsey. May your life together be filled with the same loyalty, laughter, and good times you've shared with us all. Here's to long walks, green smoothies, and never taking life too seriously. We love you both. Cheers.